Let me ask you a question. Have you ever actually read the ingredients on your laundry detergent? I don't just mean on the front where it says natural or gentle or free and clear. I mean on the back, the actual list of ingredients. Have you ever read that? I did. And what I found shocked me. My name is Gerald Belton. I'm a retired data analyst, a statistician. So when I retired a couple of years ago and I started doing the laundry at home, I did what I've always done. I looked at the data. In this case, the data was the ingredients list on our detergent. And when I started researching what those ingredients actually were, I was surprised. They were petrochemicals, things made of oil, things made with sulfuric acid. They were surfactants. They were just stuff that I didn't want to put on my skin or on my clothes. They weren't what I thought I was using. And here's the part that really got me. A lot of those brands that market themselves as natural, pure, green, it's the same stuff. They use the same ingredients. It's what they call greenwashing. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. I also remembered something from when I was a kid. My grandma used a product called Ivory Snow. It was simple. It was just soap flakes. So I went out looking for it. And you know what I found out? In 1993, they very quietly changed it from being made with soap flakes to being made with synthetic detergents. Almost nobody noticed. That moment really stuck with me. It looked like the same product, but the ingredients changed and the story didn't. The marketing didn't. So I decided to do something about it. I didn't set out to start a business. I just wanted a soap that I could use on my own clothes. Something that was simple, honest, pure, clean. Couldn't find it on the market, so I made it myself. Real soap, organic ingredients, no synthetic chemicals. Something that would be kind to your skin, kind to your clothes, and kind to the earth. I made another decision early on. It had to do with packaging. I could buy cheap vinyl pouches for 22 cents a piece. Or I found a company that made pouches that were biodegradable, compostable. They cost 66 cents a piece. I chose to use the 66-cent pouches. Not because they were cheaper, obviously they're not, but because it was the right thing to do. It meant one less bit of plastic going into the ocean. So today, what I do is pretty simple. I help people understand what's going on and going into their laundry products. And I offer a truly clean alternative. If you've never read the label on your detergent, I urge you to take a look. You may be shocked at what you find in there. If that kind of thing matters to you, you're in the right place. I'll be sharing more about what's really in these products and what you can do about it. Thanks for listening.